even I can't even hear anyone.
Okay, sis, try again.
Nawala na si Myrna.
Na-pause kasi. Na-pause kasi.
Pero
Nawala si
naririnig pa?
Myrna. Nawala si Myrna. Sis Myrna, di ka namin na.
Wala?
Meron na po,
Meron
meron.
na.
Okay, so okay na ito. Sige,
Yeah.
i-rewind ko lang. Okay,
I-rewind.
rewind natin. Sorry about that.
Okay, so this is what I do. I want to make sure that my camera is stationary and a little farther from me because you can imagine on where you put these two people, right? And so this is gonna be a one video. I'm not cutting anything, and I will split that later when I do in CapCut. So yeah, so I think we'll start. So I always make sure that I have a space in between for later when I go to CapCut again and then mask it, right? So okay, so we'll try this. So how's work today? I'm putting this quiet time, and that way I have enough time to put later when the other person is talking, right? Yeah, so I come in here, and then I want to make sure that I have a space again in here for later, right? So for editing. So because the first one was talking, my first thing to do right now is like pretend that I am listening to her, right? Oh, work is good. Yeah, it is nice. Like I met everyone. Most of them are, and yeah, I think it's good. And again, that quiet time for later. Oh, my office is good. Yeah. So apparently they're just renovating and everything, but it is good. It's been cleaned up and everything. So yeah, I am ready to go for work.
Okay, so let's add the new project, which is this one here. Yeah. And add. And now, before doing anything else, I want to make sure that the video is good, the brightness and everything. So from here, I'm going to do it now, and that way I don't have to be adjusting later. So I'll do the brightness because my video is dark. I think that should be good. Or you want to do the contrast and everything, you can do that right now. Okay, and then I'm going to find that time when I did the first person and attempting to stand
that's
to
good.
do
That you're finally settling
the
down
second person.
and enjoying your.
Okay, yeah. So I'm going to find, oh, right there. She's standing up. So, okay, let's split it. Here we go. And the next, this second clip's gonna be overlay. So there's our overlay right there. And then bring this all the way to the front. Okay, so we know that this one here is the first clip, right? So I am doing this because like when you overlay it, it's perfect that they are on top of each other. That's what we want, right? And so when we put the mask, which is this one here, I always click on this the overlay to mask. So let's find the mask in here. Where's the mask? Right there. And I always use the horizontal. Okay, so that's that. I use my two fingers and try to move this around so we can see both people. Both me. There we go. And I always play, kind of see, okay, where's my mask right now? It's gone. Click that second clip again and then go on the mask right there so you can see the line. And then I just want to play it in that way. I can make sure that nothing is overlapping, right? Just move it like that. I don't think so. My hands are not in the way. Okay, perfect. Okay, and then we go back to that. And then the first, okay, we click that first. The overlay, I want to turn this down, the volume, and that way I can hear the first person talking. So I know where to edit it, right?
So how's work?
Okay, so that's my first one. So I split that and then delete it. So when you talk.
So how's work?
Okay, perfect. Just talking, just talking, just talking. Come on. Okay, let's just go all the way to the back. That should be good. And then we'll delete the back. The rest later. Now, I'm gonna see the second person talking. So let's hear. I gotta point all the way up. Okay, from here, since the first person was talking, the second person was listening, right? So I'm going to start from here. So I'm gonna delete the first clip here and make sure this is the one. So if you listen to it.
So how's work?
Okay, I'm gonna listen to the next person answering.
Oh, work is good.
Okay, so I'm just gonna go a little bit in here because she was listening the first time, right? And then delete that and then move this again. And that way, they're turning.
So how's work? Oh, work is good. Yeah, I finally met everyone and getting used to the new place and everything. So I'm glad I'm settling already.
Okay, so this one here is overlapping, right? You can hear that when the other person was talking.
Place and everything. So
yeah, the first person is talking to.
And getting.
So what I do is I split this one here. Split this and then just to make sure that I can, they are turning, they are taking turns, right? Okay. So I'm going to slow this down and that way I have enough time for the other person to talk. So maybe that's good. Let's hear it.
I finally met everyone and getting used to the new place and everything. So I'm glad I'm settling.
Okay, I think we need more time, so I'm gonna slow this down again more. There we go. And then I hope.
Finally met everyone and getting used to the new place and everything. So I'm glad I'm settling already.
Okay. She's still talking, so we have to make sure this is a little slow. And this is the reason why I was telling you guys about the quiet time, right? Let's see this one here.
Finally met everyone and getting used to the new place and everything. So I'm glad I'm settling already.
Okay, now we went too far. So since I did go far, I'm just gonna move this and try again. This is fun. You just have to have patience. Okay. Still too long.
Settling already.
Okay, so that's where she stopped. I'm gonna pull this down, maybe here.
So I'm glad I'm settling already.
Oh, not enough. There we go.
So I'm glad. I'm settling already. Oh, that's good. That's your
Okay, that was a little long, so I'm just gonna
Sis
delete
Myrna,
this one.
pa-accept daw yung mga
See.
pumapasok.
Oh, shoot.
I'm used to the new
How will I
place
do
and
that?
everything, so I'm glad. I'm settling already. Oh, that's good. That you're finally settling down and, enjoying your new space. Yeah. No, I am good. And yeah, I can't wait to start working.
There we go. And that's it. And I'm just gonna delete the rest of it. Right, I always delete them both and see.
Working.
Yep.
So, paano yun?
Start working.
Here we go. And then let's upload. So that's what I do.
So you need to have a CapCut, guys. Kasi
Yeah.
CapCut na ginagawa si Sis Myrna. That's a lot of patience to do.
It
Right?
is. So it is a lot of patience and imagination because you are acting two people, right?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. So
So
yun.
kailangan
Much work.
talaga. But pag nasanay kayo, like, mas easier naman.
Yes. Yes, kaya importante talaga yung quiet time na yun kasi kung
Yes.
mahaba yung pagsasalita ng isa, kailangan din, ang mas maganda is make your own, pangalan nito, anong
Timer.
tinatawag nila bago ka
Dialogue
mag-movie?
Dialogue, yeah.
Yeah.
Script.
Para medyo alam mo yung yung in between
you
na
People already.
quiet time ka.
Yeah.
Yes. So,
Yeah.
ayun, ganun lang.
You will be the
It's
director.
understandable. Yes.
Galing mo! My God!
Oh, I know.
Madali lang yan pag ano. Tapos, ang maganda is nakakaisip ka ng idea na tungkol sa ano natin. So, at least dalawang tao ang nagdi-discuss sa isang, I meaning yung mga benefits ng negosyo natin, mga ganun ba?
Yeah.
So, parang
Yeah.
question and answer kayong dalawa.
What if you change your clothes to the other one?
Yeah, you can too.
But it's gonna be more time for you
More
to do,
work.
right?
More work to
More
do.
work. Yeah.
Magbihis ka muna.
Yeah.
Pero pasalamat
Tanggalin
ako
mo
pa,
yun.
ano, kay Coach Jel kasi nakita niya na nabigyan din ako ng idea na, oh, yan na yung brand mo. It's a twin of you.
Yeah.
So,
It's
sabi ko, ay, tama
actually,
nga.
namamangha kami nung nakita namin.
Sabi namin, unang-unang nakita namin, ang nakita
you
ko
have
rin mo,
twin.
yung lumilipad ka. Sabi ko, paano
Yes, that
nagbago
one
mo
is
yung
good too.
lumilipad? Tapos,
Yung-
maya, dalawa na ang mukha mo. Sabi ko, bro ka talaga tong babae na to.
That one is good too. Like you are jumping and then you are already on that place that you want to be, where you want to be. That is good to sis. Gawin mo din yun. Maganda.
Yeah, it's good. Pero most of the things that I'm learning is from tutorial actually from TikTok. Yeah, and they are good at showing how you do it. So I follow that. Yes, it's a lot of learning, a lot of hours that you put into, but once you get the idea, it's easier.
So I was trying to do the reels and I use a day already, 1 day, and
Not enough.
yeah, no.
The thing,
I
the
have a
thing
head
with
rest. I
the
said,
thing with reels too is that you only have a minute and a half.
yeah.
So sometimes like I have to change the speed. If I talk a lot and there are times that I don't want to cut it because that's the important thing that I want to tell people, and I just kind of fast make the speed faster, which is good too. Kasi sometimes I am like, there are times that I'm like almost like bubbling and everything, and like I'm so slow in saying things, and I'm glad there's like the speed that you can make it faster. So it seems like you're talking, like you're actually talking straight.
Yeah. And change it.
So yeah, so for the double thing, it's just about like just masking it.
Masking.
Yeah, it's a
You
mask on
guys,
CapCut.
you have to try talaga. You have to give you a time talaga to learn. Kasi
Yeah.
nauubos ko ang isang araw ko, pero I still cannot
go.
get it. And I said, JD, can you teach me?
It's frustrating at first, but once you get the idea, it's actually, I'm addicted to it, which sometimes I even forget to, do my laundry.
Yeah. So instead of Canva, mag-ano naman tayo, mapupunta na tayo sa Reels, sa video editing. No?
CapCut. Mag-CapCut naman tayo.
CapCut naman.
Mm.
So na-practice natin ang Canva. Dito naman tayo ngayon sa video editing.
And the thing is, some of my reels, actually, some people are asking. I mean, like, there's people are inquiring.
Yes.
They're not
Reels.
inquiring about the business or
Oh,
the...
but they are inquiring about the business too, like because they are like
okay,
kind of
that's
looking.
good.
It's like, okay, what's your business now?
Yeah.
I had 2 inquiries already.
Ah,
I
that's
got
good.
2 business partners from Reels, and they were not my friends before in Facebook.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. There you
So,
go.
Reels makakatulong yan sa inyo, and it's free.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's a
so
free advertisement.
that's it for me. I hope everybody understand. It's just about that, like playing with mask.
Please, next time, kung meron ka pa ulit, share again with us. And thank you so much. Time.
No, you're
Miss
welcome,
Papsit daw
Coach.
si Evelyn, sabi ni Coach Aubrey.
Nandiyan pala si
wala.
Aubrey. Hi, sis Aubrey.
But wala, hindi na nagpapakita dito.
I am in.
Meron na daw. Ayan, Evelyn H. Yan siguro.
Yeah, ako yan.
Okay.
Thank you, thank you.
So, next presenter natin ay si...
Paano na lang ako, sis, ha? Yung host na lang?
Oh. So, how will I do that?
Change host.
Where's my... Oh gosh, where's that postals, right?
Make host.
Why isn't it showing here? The screen. I'm struggling. Where is it?
Punta ka doon sa ano mo, sis, sa 3 dot mo.
Yeah.
Sa ano mo? Sa ano mo? Sa screen mo, yung may 3 dot.
Yeah.
Or punta ka sa akin, sa ano ko, sa picture ko, may 3 dot doon. Tapos gawin mo
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let's double click screen mode. What? Where
Ayan,
is it?
ganyan na lang, hayaan mo na. Mag-share screen na lang ako.
Oh, sige. And then i-approve ko? I'll
So,
try.
Tagalog kasi sa akin pero nakaano din siya ng English eh. Pero sa akin, pwede niyong kunin yung ano nyo, yung phone nyo, itry ninyo. Kasi nag-edit ako ng, parang binagalan ko siya ng kaunti para in case masundan ninyo. So, ito siya sa akin. So, ito yung CapCut ko. Pindutin ninyo ngayon at nadidinig ninyo?
Hello guys, welcome sa ating CapCut tutorial. So today, pindutin ninyo ngayon ang inyong CapCut, yung kulay puti. And then, yung new project sa taas. I-click lang ninyo yan. Yung kulay blue. And then, pipili tayo ngayon ng video na gusto natin. Yan. So, yun ang napili ko, short video. Then, i-click lang natin yung bilog sa my video sa taas. After nyan, sa baba, pipindutin natin ang add. Yan ang kalabasan pag napindot natin ang add. Tapos, isusunod naman natin ngayon ang captions. Ayan. And then after captions, pindutin natin ang spoken language. Yung pangalawa. After ng spoken language, pindutin natin kung anong language, kung English, ang gusto natin, or Filipino. Pero ang sa akin, Filipino kasi Tagalog yung salita ko. Ayan. Tapos dito sa baba, sa my templates, kikita nyo yan, ang daming pagpipilian. Pili kayo ng gusto ninyo dyan. Bahala na kayo kung anong gusto ninyong templates dyan. Yeah, it's up to you guys. Yan. Scroll lang ninyo, makikita ninyo lahat nandyan. So it's up to you kung ano yung gusto nyo. So yan ang napili ko. After nyan, pindutin ninyo yung generate sa baba. Yan, mag-generating captions siya hanggang sa maging 100. Hintayin ninyo na maging 100. Ayan. So yan na po yung kalabasan niya. And then yung caption, pwede mo siyang i-edit. Pwede mong palakihan, paligitin. It's up to you guys kung gaano kalaki yung gusto nyo. Ayan. And then after nyan, isusunod natin yung highlight. Kung nakikita ninyo yung highlight sa baba, yung may CC, yon, yung highlight. Yan. So ngayon, piliin natin kung ano yung gusto nating i-highlight. Kung ano yung pinaka-importante, let's say extra income, bahay, or full-time job, or tulog. Yan. Piliin lang ninyo kung ano yung gusto ninyo. Ayan. Let's say yan yung gusto nating i-highlight. Yan. And then, yan, tignan nyo i-play na. Tignan niyo yung pagkakaiba niya. Nag-iba ng kulay yung extra income. Di ba? Yun yung hinighlight natin. Then, pwede mo rin i-edit yung highlight style. Yan, highlight style niya. So, pili kayo dyan sa font, style, and effect. Pili kayo dyan kung ano yung gusto ninyong style ng highlight ninyo. Madaming pagpipilian. Ayan. So, scroll lang ninyo. Makikita ninyo yung mga different kind of style ng inyong highlight. Yan. Let's say yan. Tignan nyo ang pagkakaiba. I-play natin.
Gusto mo din ba magkaroon ng extra income?
Diba?
Kahit ikaw ay nasa bahay?
Kasi pink yung highlight niya. Diba? Ngayon, isunod naman natin ngayon ang pag-overlay. Yan, o, diba? Tayo sa overlay sa baba, sa gitna. Make sure na itapat natin yung ilalagay natin na overlay doon sa may extra income. Kung ano yung gusto nating ilagay. Let's say extra income, pwede mong idagdag yung mga nakasobre or whatever kung ano yung gusto ninyo. And then press the add below. Pinutin mo lang yung add sa baba. And then you can resize the picture. Ayan. Make sure na hanggang sa extra income lang. And then sa baba, makikita ninyo ang animations. So ano ba yung animations na yan? Diyan makikita kung ano yung design ng inyong pictures na magiging outcome niya. Na kung paano siya papasok. Ayan. So ang dami dyan, pili lang kayo. isa-isahin ninyo para makita ninyo kung gaano siya kaganda pag
Bang
pumasok
magkaroon ng
ninyo.
extra income kahit ikaw ay
O, diba? Let's say sa bahay na naman, hanap tayong ng magandang ilagay natin na overlay dyan sa may bahay. Pindutin lang ang add overlay sa baba. Ayan, yung nasa bahay, yung parang nasa bahay ka lang, parang ganyan. Yan, i-resize mo lang siya. Make sure na tapat ng bahay lang siya. Yan. Pwede mo rin lampasan kung gusto mo. So, it's up to you guys kung paano ka mag-edit. Kung ano yung ano mo. Ayan. So, lagyan mo lang siya ng animation. Parang yung ginawa natin nung una.
magkaroon ng
Yung
extra
animation
income
is nasa baba,
kahit ikaw ay
guys.
nasa bahay, nasa
Ayan.
full-time job,
Yan. Short, edit lang, guys. Kasi, ano lang naman siya. Tapos ngayon, sa music naman tayo, sa may audio, sa baba, yung pangalawa. And then sounds. Sa una din, sa baba. And then pili ka dyan ng gusto mong music. Yan yung ilalagay mo na music na background niya. So yun yung pinili ko. Then, click mo lang yon and pwede kang pumunta sa volume. Ewan ko kung anong gaano kalakas yung gusto mo dyan. Pero make sure na mas mahina siya sa boses mo para marinig ng ibang tao.
That's it.
Hello guys, welcome sa
Galing.
Ang
Ganun
galing.
pala
So,
yun.
JD, alam ko na.
Ganun pala yun.
Ganun pala yun.
Ganun pala yun.
Next
Ay,
time,
salamat,
ituro mo sa amin
sis.
yung parang mga sounds. Let's
Anong
say,
sound?
sa income.
Yung magbazoom.
Yes.
Yeah, binagalan ko para mas madaling masundan kasi kapag ginagawa ko na mabilis, mahirap sundan. So sabi ko,
Maganda
subukan
sis
ko ulit.
JD, magaling.
Coach,
Alam
Coach,
ko na.
yung sound na sinasabi mo, doon ka rin sa may audio. Mag-search ka doon ng money
Kung
sound, mga
pumapalakpak,
ganon.
mga
Yes,
ganon.
money
Oo,
sound.
may
Mga
pumapalakpak.
pumapalakpak,
May
mga ganon,
effect, may
tumatawa, mga ganon.
May ganun pa.
Yung
Nandun lang
cashier,
yung
yung parang
coach.
Sa audio lang
makakalit
siya,
yan.
yeah. I-search mo, yan.
Oo, alam ko na.
Ay naku, magpapa one-on-one ako sa iyo, sis Irene, sis JD.
Oo.
Ay,
Doon
JD,
lang
gawin
din.
natin na mas mahaba next time.
Siya nga.
Yeah.
Pero
Mag-edit
kailangan mo
tayo.
talagang upuan yun, yeah.
Opo.
Matututo din kayo.
siguro sunod-sunod na ang reels na makikita ko sa
Oo.
ano ko na ngayon yan.
Oo, araw-araw na yan may reels.
No, practice. Talaga magpa-practice tayo.
Yeah.
Nandun pala yun. Ay, sis JD, may question ako. Yung kapag ka nagawa ka na ng subtitle, no, na-generate na siya by itself?
Oo, so
yung galing
ikaw yung
naman.
nagsasalita, punta ka lang
Tapos
sa
na-generate
caption.
na siya.
Yeah, and then you can edit kasi kung minsan error yung
Yung spelling.
caption.
Oo.
Okay. So, titingnan mo rin kung tama
Yeah.
yung spelling na
One
yun.
by one mo siyang titignan din. Yung mga spelling, mga ganon.
ang
Kasi kung
galing,
minsan
no?
yung hindi nagbabag ng friends, yung
Oo.
ibibigay nyo is yung bag,
Bag.
B-A-G. Parang ganon. Yeah. So,
Pero ang galing kasi parang mas mabilis yan kasi pag sa sa Canva kasi minamanual ko pala.
yeah,
type
I did that
eh.
too, yeah.
Pero pag yan pala ay ang galing naman, no?
Meron din
Na-generate
sa
na.
meron din sa InShot. Ay, InShot ba yun?
Baby.
Generate din sila. Yeah.
Be careful, be careful.
Pero dito sa sa CapCut, hindi ko ma-generate yung English. Tagalog. Ay, pwede
Ay, yan ang ituturo ko sa iyo, sis.
Oh, yun.
Oh, sige yan.
Yeah, sige.
Yan, ako na?
Oh, ikaw na, ma'am. Madam.
Si Madam Irene.
Madam Dama.
Mga teacher natin.
Ang huhusay. Sige po.
I know.
Si Irene, ikaw.
May
English version.
sige.
Ito, English
Yan,
version.
English version naman siya.
English version pero ang subtitle, ang salita ko is Tagalog ha. Kasi naubusan na
Ay,
ako.
Tagalog. Inano mo sa English. Yeah, sige.
Sa English nga lang siya
Old school kasi kami. Old
nagsasalita.
school kami. Ito yung mga new
I
school.
know, old school kami.
Grabe.
Mga old school
Ayan.
kami
So,
eh.
sharing ko na ang aking screen sharing.
Thank you sa mga new generations.
Kaya nga po, nahahalata ang edad natin dito.
Coach naman. New generation ba ako? Hindi ako. Mas nauna pa ako sa
This is
inyo.
Mirna, new school na
Yun
yan,
lang,
hindi
galing
old
mo.
school.
Nung makita namin talaga, I said, oh my God, may kakambal si Sis Red.
I think I'm old.
Yan,
Okay.
nakikita nyo na ang aking screen.
Hindi halata.
Oh. Eto na. Ayan, ito ang aking presentation.
Walang marinig.
Naririnig nyo?
Hindi. Wala.
Wala siyang sounds?
Wala.
Parang ganun din yung nangyari kanina.
I-slow mo. Mabilis. I-slow motion mo.
Meron sis, meron. Ay, presentation mo?
Opo, baka wala. Saan ba yun?
Working.
Bakit? Share computer sound.
Working.
Ayun.
Working.
Ayun. Oh no, it's broken. Just 1 second, sweetheart. It's okay. Yan.
Oh no, it's broken. Sabi naman.
Broken.
It's not broken,
May-
baby.
Mommy.
Meron akong little one dito kasi kaya Just 1 second, sweetheart.
Tulog
Mommy's
ka na.
doing something. Kaya nga, coach.
Mommy.
Yan. Mabilis ba? Paano ba to bagalan ang aking Just 1
Mommy?
second, sweetheart.
Kapkat ka
Yeah, I
din,
know.
Siren.
Give it. Opo, CapCut din, coach. Yeah, just leave it like that. It's okay. Sweetheart, just 1 second, sweetheart. Mommy's gonna do something. Yan. First, use CapCut. Then, new project.
Martin.
Then, choose the video that you want na aakma dun sa gusto mong topic about your reels. Select text audio. Then, text audio. Go to enter text. At this moment, you should have idea already what to put in the content. I use ChatGPT to make some ideas para makagawa ko ng content ko sa aking reels. So, you can use it too. Then, go back to your CapCut and copy-paste only the one that you get from ChatGPT. Since nahihiya kang magsalita sa harap ng camera, we can use more voices. So, choose more voices at magpapakita yung iba't ibang klase ng voice dyan. Merong French, female, male. So, I choose female since we are a woman. So, I choose Valley. That's my favorite one too.
Loving the Flexify.
So, after that, choose split.
Here you go.
It will generate. If you choose the don't split, minsan sa isang slide lang siya nagpapakita. So, nandyan na ang ating caption sa baba ng ating video. Mas mahaba yung caption natin kaysa sa ating video.
Go.
Kaya ang gagawin natin, we press plus to add more videos. So, yan. Namili ako ng maraming video na aakma siya sa aking sinasabi sa aking caption. So, ang next na gagawin natin is ipapakita ko sa inyo on how to edit the caption. So, to make it attractive and more colorful. So, use style. But make sure the caption is already highlighted. And then, choose the templates. Or anything na gusto nyo. Meron yung iba. Meron glow, monoline, multiple, highlights. So, choose whatever you want in here. Just make sure hindi pro ang pipiliin natin para hindi tayo magbayad. Since hindi pa naman tayo bihasa, so we can use the free for now. So dito maraming style, maraming words, glow, monoline. So mamili kayo kung ano yung prefer ninyo, kung ano yung na akma sa inyong style, sa
Loving the
inyong
flexibility
taste.
of my
May
digital
mga
business.
colorful, may mga sliding, meron yung parang
Loving the
typewriter lang siya, and
flexibility
simple
of my
lang.
digital business.
So for now, we
Loving
will
the
use just for the
flexibility of
video,
my
we will
digital
use the simple
business.
one para maipakita ko sa inyo.
Loving the
So meron
flexibility
din
of my
itong font
digital
style. Kung gusto
business.
nyo ng font style, mamili kayo. Basta ang piliin lang natin palagi is yung free lang siya. So I choose italic. Yan. May mga ano din siya, may mga style din siya. Meron yung highlighted. Yan. Iba't ibang kulay. Pwede nyo siyang palitan. Mamili lang kayo. Piliin nyo lang yung may rainbow. Choose that rainbow to change the color. At dito rin mamimili din kayo kung anong effect ang gusto ninyo. So I use pink this ones. So I choose this one. So may iba't ibang kulay din kung ano yung gusto nyong kulay. May red, blue, yellow, luminance. Yan. So mamili lang talaga yung libre lang pala muna. Para makatipid tayo. Then click that small check on the corner and choose regenerate. Yan. Antay lang natin, and then later on we will see the difference of our font style or ang ating caption. You can adjust the position of your caption. You can put down or put up. So at this moment, pwede na nating maglagay ng music para sa ating background. So choose audio. Then mamili lang tayo kung anong gusto natin. Merong chill, dream, anything that you want as long as hindi siya pro again. So mamili lang tayo ng simpleng music para lang sa background natin para hindi tayo ma-copyright. So download lang natin yung gusto nating music. Press the +1. Since mahaba yung music natin, i-cut natin siya. So, press the split.
Oh my God, ganun pala.
Ganun pala yun, coach.
And make sure to minimize the volume of the music para hindi mangibabaw yung music kaysa yung nagsasalita sa ating video. Just add text to add your website on your video. It depends on what templates do you want. So choose whatever you want, whatever you prefer. So marami tayong pagpipilian dyan. So just in case na nagkamali kayo sa spelling ng gusto nyong i-type, balikan nyo lang siya, i-edit nyo lang siya. Just go to add text. Yun. Or kaya i-click nyo lang yung gusto nyong i-edit. So yan, mamili tayo ng font style.
It's mommy.
Yeah, it's mommy. So, same procedure gaya ng ginawa natin sa ating caption. Pwede tayong mamili kung anong style ang gusto natin dito. Pwede rin effects or pwede rin animation. Laruin nyo lang kung ano yung gusto niyo, mamili kayo. Mag-i-enjoy kayo dito, hindi nyo namamalayan na ubos na yung oras nyo. So, yan. Pag nakapili na kayo, magpapakita siya sa caption. Then, i-drag nyo lang siya hanggang sa umpisa para magpapakita ang inyong website from the beginning of your video.
Ay, ganun pala yun.
Then, after natin may type ang ating website, pwede nating ayusin para hindi nakatakip sa ating video. Yan, pwede nating ilagay. Pwede mo siyang palakihin or you can take it off if you don't want it. Just press the X on the corner. Same as when you minimize and maximize, you can use that arrow on the text. So, yan. Ready na para i-upload ang ating video.
Oh, yung galing.
Yan. Video. Yan. Export nyo lang. Press the export to save your video. So, yan, nasa gallery ko na siya sa aking cellphone at ready to upload para sa ating Reels content. So, yan, ready to upload na ang ating video. I-edit lang natin ang ating cover photo. Yan, mamili kayo kung anong gusto ninyong cover photo ng ating video. And then, para sa caption ng ating Reels, pwede nating i-copy-paste na lang yung ginawa natin doon sa ating chat, GPT+ plus hashtags. Yan. 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 para mabilis na lang ang ating ilalagay. Kopya na lang natin yung ginamit natin sa ating caption. Or it's up to you kung anong gusto nyong ilagay na caption sa inyong reel. So, yan, lalagay ko na rin ang aking location. And of course, yung time, kung anong oras ko i-schedule ang aking upload.
Okay, schedule pa.
Loving the flexibility of my digital business. One of the best things about my business, freedom and flexibility. I choose my own schedule, no need to ask for time off. I work anywhere at home, in a cafe, or even while traveling. I spend more time with my family creating memories while growing my income. I used to think success meant working harder, but now I know it's about working smarter. With this business, I get to live life on my own terms. If you're looking for a way to earn without sacrificing what matters most, this might be the opportunity you need. Message me to learn more.
Wow.
Galing!
Ah,